In this video, we're going to quickly get set up with the RentCast API. RentCast API allows us to leverage and extract multitude of datasets, including property records, rent estimates, property estimates, comparables, and market statistics. We'll be able to leverage this API to get this data at our fingertips with using a few lines of code in Python. In order to get started, use the link below. Go to API Dashboard, and here you can click the API Docs. This will give you an introduction of the API and some of its features. You can look at example use cases below as well. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you an example of looking at an address, getting property records, as well as estimates. So first, you want to sign up for free. Enter in your name. As well, you're going to enter in your email address and select a password. Once complete, click Property Data API that you're interested in and create your free account. Once your free account is created, you'll come to the API dashboard. Here, you're going to create an API key so you can actually access this data. The key that I'm generating, I'm going to delete, so feel free to observe. I'm going to enter a name here called My API Key, and then I'm going to select Create API Key. It says inactive on the top left, so I'm going to select a plan since we are currently not subscribed to one. When selecting our plan, we're going to select Developer so that we are starting off for free, which will give you 50 API requests per month for free. Even though it's free, you do need to enter your credit card information so that if you do go over your amount, you are fairly charged. So here, enter in your name, and then you're going to enter in your credit card details and click Activate Plan. Once you activate your plan, you're going to be brought back to the developer page. Now that we have activated our key, we could see that it says active and it's green. So we are ready to start utilizing this API key, and we can go back up top to copy as well as view our API requests over time. All right, I'll see you in the next video where we actually start querying the data. See you there.